we have a 1974 John Deere 4430. Now, a lot of tractors are running off fuel storage tanks that may be in the field, on the farm, and those are extremely susceptible to getting contaminants in the fuel tank like water and dirt particulates. Now, we're going to be installing one of our Titanium Signature Series universal systems on this tractor here, and when he goes out there, gets in the field to start working, he knows he's not going to have to worry about getting contaminated diesel fuel running through the injection system with our new Extreme Water Separator. Let's go ahead and get it started. All right, we just got our FASS installation wrapped up. Now, the only major modification we had to do was we did pull the fuel tank out and install a 1/2-inch NPT bung for our FASS return. The lift pump pressure on this tractor from the factory was set at 22 PSI, so we also installed the proper MRT and spring combination to match that factory pressure. If you guys have any questions regarding your application, what fuel pressure you should be running, anything at all FASS related, please don't hesitate to give our tech department a call.